Good afternoon, guys. Nick here with Kaizink Screen Print and Embroidery, and today I'm going to be showing you how we do neck tag. So first thing you want to do is you want to have Separation Studio open. I have an additional screen over here on my right, which I also have the proof open, so you're going to want to have that open as well. You're going to come up to open, and I'm looking for CB orders here, so I'm going to click on CB orders. And the order number that we're looking for today is 18744. Go into production files. And here we have our neck tag files. So I know it's a neck tag because it's labeled NT for neck tag. We have a few of them here. We have small, medium, and large, and then XL to 3X. We're just going to go ahead and open up the small, medium, large. Double click that. Okay, now that we have our separations open, the garment that it's going to be going on is kind of like a lighter cream color. So I'm going to come over here to my textiles, and I'm going to choose a different color here so I can really see how that's going to look. The color of the ink that's going to be going on these shirts is this gray color here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to come down here with this separation would be just our black. So I need to merge those together because this has our registration points on it. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that, drag it over, and drop that there. It's going to ask me to multiply or darken. I want to multiply that. So now we have a single separation with our registration marks on it. From there, we're going to want to print it. We typically do not underbase our neck tags, so no base is required. So I'm going to come up here to print, ensuring that my separation is open, or is on rather. Now it's off. It's back on again. Marks and layouts, and I'm going to use the full front, full back template as that is our center template. I'm going to come down here to placement, do my drop down, go to custom, and I'm going to adjust only my y-axis, and I'm going to adjust that to 1 inch. 1 inch works very well on press for our tag bot, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it there. And then we're going to go ahead and come to save. We want to ensure that this is saving in our 23 by 31 55 LPI folder. I'm going to go ahead and hit save, and the separations were saved successfully. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys.